All right, guys, this is the glossary for the book Lapins Plays Possum and also Buki Over a Barrel. The first word is bayou, and then what's in parentheses is the pronunciation guide for the word, and the next is your definition. So bayou means a wide, slow-moving stream. Bon, good or great. Bonsoir, which means good evening. Buki, hyena in the Wolof language of Africa. Commencer, which means just begun. Compère, which means comrade or brother. Derrière, which means behind. Dodo, which means night-night. Gumbo, a thick stew with a flour and oil base. What did you say? Lapin, rabbit. Mardi Gras, Fat Tuesday, a day of masked revelry before Lent. Merci beaucoup, which means thank you very much. Moi, which means me. Monte, which means half or halfway. Mon ami means my friend. Parent means godfather. Pequeño is a coin with little value, also anything small or trivial. Let's see. Quasidi, what's going on? Sauce piquant, a spicy stew with a tomato base. Te masmanel, little lady. Tar bebe, which means little tar baby. And tout fini, all done. And I did my best, guys.